Hi everyone, welcome back to Muskanstudyworld. In today's video, we're diving into the topic of training needs analysis. Training needs analysis, or TNA, is a systematic process used to determine the training requirements of an organization. It identifies the gap between current employee skills and the skills needed to meet business goals. By understanding these needs, organizations can develop targeted training programs that enhance employee performance and drive business success. This process is essential for any organization looking to improve its employees' skills and overall performance. Let's walk through the 9 crucial steps, complete with examples to illustrate each point. Determine the desired business outcomes. To start, it's important to identify what your organization aims to achieve. These outcomes should align with the company's strategic goals. Imagine a retail company aiming to increase its customer satisfaction scores by 20% over the next year. This desired outcome will guide the rest of the analysis. Step 2. Link desired business outcomes with employee behavior. Next, determine which employee behaviors will contribute to achieving these business outcomes. It's crucial to pinpoint the actions and habits that need to change or improve. In our retail company, improving customer service skills among sales associates might be key to enhancing customer satisfaction. Step 3. Identify trainable competencies. Identify the specific skills and knowledge that employees need to develop. These competencies should be directly related to the behaviors identified in Step 2. For better customer service, the retail company might focus on training in communication, problem-solving, and product knowledge. Step 4. Evaluate competencies. Assess the current level of these competencies among employees. This can be done through assessments, performance reviews, and feedback from supervisors. For example, the retail company could use customer feedback and mystery shopping reports to evaluate how well employees are currently performing. Step 5. Determine performance gaps. Identify the gaps between the current competencies and the desired level of performance. These gaps will highlight the areas where training is needed. For example, if customer feedback indicates that employees are not effectively handling complaints, this gap needs to be addressed through training. Step 6. Prioritize training needs. Not all training needs can be addressed at once. Prioritize based on the impact each competency has on the desired business outcomes. For example, the retail company might prioritize communication training first, as it has the most significant impact on customer satisfaction. Step 7. Determine how to train. Decide on the best methods for delivering the training. Options include workshops, e-learning, on-the-job training, or a combination of these. For example, the retail company might use role-playing exercises in workshops to improve customer service skills. Step 8. Conduct a cost-benefit analysis. Evaluate the costs of the training against the expected benefits. This analysis helps ensure that the training is a worthwhile investment. For example, the retail company calculates the cost of training programs and compares it to the potential increase in sales from improved customer satisfaction. Step 9. Plan for training evaluation. Finally, establish a plan to evaluate the effectiveness of the training. This includes setting metrics and timelines for assessment. For example, the retail company might track customer satisfaction scores and sales figures before and after the training to measure its impact. And that's a wrap on the steps for conducting a training needs analysis. By following these steps, you can ensure that your training programs are effective and aligned with your business goals. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more insightful content. Thanks for watching Muskanstudyworld.